Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of the most talked about platforms for creators and online business owners, Stan Store and Kajabi. If you've ever wondered which one gives you the best mix of features, flexibility and value for money in 2025, you're in the right place. I'll take you through a detailed overview, their main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and finally give you my honest conclusion on which is the better option in 2025. Let's get started. Stan Store is a relatively new platform designed specifically for creators who want to monetize their online presence quickly and easily. Think of it like a link in bio tool, but on steroids. It's built for influencers, coaches, entrepreneurs who want to sell digital products, online courses, memberships, or even offer one-on-one coaching all from one simple storefront. The beauty of Stan Store is that it doesn't overwhelm you with complicated features. It focuses on simplicity, speed, and conversion. In other words, you can go from setup to selling in less than 1 hour. Its mission is to help creators make money online without needing a tech team or juggling multiple tools. On the other hand, we have Kajabi. Kajabi is one of the biggest and most established names in the creator and online education space. Kajabi is what we call a true all-in-one platform. It's built for creators who want to build a full online business from the ground up, including websites, online courses, coaching programs, memberships, email marketing, sales funnels, and automation. Where Stan Store is lean and fast, Kajabi is full-featured and powerful. It's often used by more established creators, educators, and businesses that are scaling and need advanced marketing and automation tools. Now, let us talk about the main features of each platform. In terms of product and course creation, Stan Store lets you easily sell digital downloads, online courses, memberships, or book coaching sessions. Everything is built around being simple and intuitive, perfect if you're not very technical. Kajabi, on the other hand, goes much deeper. It gives you a complete course builder with modules, lessons, quizzes, and progress tracking. You can create complex learning experiences, drip content over time, and manage your students or members in detail. In terms of sales and monetization, both platforms allow you to sell digital products, but Stan is more streamlined. You can add upsells, you can create payment plans, offer discounts, and even use affiliate links if you're on the higher plan. With Kajabi, it takes things further with advanced checkout pages, order bumps, and bundled offers. It even includes an affiliate system that is built right into the platform, which is great for scaling your sales. How about funnels, landing pages, and marketing automations? Stan Store offers basic sales pages and simple funnels, but its main focus is making sure your audience can buy from you instantly, especially from social media. Kajabi, on the other hand, is known for its marketing power, and it gives you pre-built funnels, landing pages, and email automation tools. You can send targeted campaigns, set up triggers and sequences, and automate your customer journeys. It's basically a full marketing system. How about customization and design? With Stan Store, what you see is what you get. It's clean and minimal, but you wouldn't have endless customization options. It's meant to be fast and easy to use rather than endlessly tweakable. Kajabi, on the other hand, gives you more control over your site's design. You can choose from templates, customize your pages, and even add custom code on higher plans. It's not as flexible as WordPress, but it's definitely more customizable than Stan. How about integrations? Stan Store keeps things lightweight. You can connect payment processors like Stripe or PAL and a few basic tools. With Kajabi, it integrates with a wide range of third-party apps like Zapier, analytic tools, and CRM systems. This makes it much more flexible if you already use multiple marketing tools. How about ease of use? Stan Store wins here hands down for simplicity. The interface is clean and extremely beginner-friendly. Kajabi has a steeper learning curve and because it does so much more. But once you learn the system, it can replace half a dozen different tools. Now let us talk about the pricing. For Stan Store, the cheapest plan starts at $29 per month, and you have a free trial period where you can try out the platform. And for Kajabi, there's a Kickstarter plan at $71 per month, a basic plan at $143 per month, a Grow plan at $199 per month, and a Pro plan at $399 per month. Clearly, the Stand Store is more affordable. What are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We start with the pros. For Stand Store, it's very beginner friendly and fast to set up. It has an affordable entry point, $29 a month to start selling, zero transaction fees, and it's great for creators that are monetizing directly from social media. How about the pros of using Kajabi? It's an all-in-one solution. It has advanced funnels, automations, and segmentation tools. It is highly scalable, which means you can support a growing creator or a business. And the cons of using Stand Store? Limited customizations and design flexibility. Advanced tools like upsells and affiliates are only available on the higher plan and is not ideal for complex marketing automation or large businesses. And the cons of using Kajabi? There's a higher monthly cost, is not ideal for beginners on a budget, is more complex to learn and master. Now, to wrap things up, which of these is better in 2025? The honest answer depends on where you are in your creator journey. If you're just starting out and you're a solo creator, a coach, a small business owner, and you want to start making money quickly and affordably, then Stand Store is the way to go. It's fast, it's affordable, and has all the basics that you need to launch. But if you're a growing brand, if you want to build a full website with funnels, automations, and courses all under one roof, then Kajabi is the better long-term investment. It's more expensive, yes, but it gives you everything you need to scale and operate like a professional. And that's it on the comparison between Stand Store and Kajabi. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Podia, Thinkific, and System.io. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.